Hello my dear lovely students. In the previous class we had discussed about SGP1, in which we got to know that Akbar was fond of jewelry. He had hundreds of rings. He liked a large ring the most because a number of pearls and diamonds were set in it, and it was presented to him by the queen. 8 servants were appointed to look after the emperor's clothes and jewelry. One day, Akbar wanted to wear his favorite ring and asked a servant to bring it. The servant could not find it, so Akbar ordered all the servants to search it. They searched it, but it was not found. Today we will learn about SGP 2 and 3. Akbar got angry because the ring was not found. He felt that one of his 8 servants had stolen the ring. So he sent for his clever minister Birbal. Then when Birbal came, he told him about the matter which had happened. Here, happen means take place. Okay? He asked him to find the thief. You know, Birbal was very clever and intelligent. The following day, he called the 8 servants who were in charge of the emperor's room. Here, in charge means taking the responsibility of something. Then he gave each of them a short stick. Here, short means small, stick means a small thin branch of a tree. After that, he asked them to come back to him with the sticks. The following day, he told them that one of them had stolen the emperor's ring. He told them that the thief's stick would become longer by as much as the length of a finger that night. The next morning, with the sticks, the 8 servants came back to Birbal. Birbal asked them to stand in a line. After that, he looked carefully at their sticks. Line means a formation of people or things one behind other. Then suddenly he caught hold of one of them and took him to Akbar and said that he was the thief. Here suddenly means quickly. Okay? And caught hold of means to hold. Then the thief fell at Akbar's feet and said that he had stolen the ring. Then the king punished him. Here, punished means to make someone suffer due to bad act. The thief had believed in what Birbal had said about the thief's stick, so he cut each stick to make it shorter. Birbal had noticed that the thief's stick was shorter than the sticks of others. In this way, Birbal could find the thief. In this way, the SGP 2 and 3 are completed. Okay, I hope you understood well. So, I want to ask some question. Okay, are you ready? Very good. My first question: what did Birbal give to the servants? Who can say? What did Birbal give to the servants? Who can say? Yes, very good. Birbal called all the 8 servants and gave each of them a short stick. Okay. Then my second question: what did Birbal say to the 8 servants? Who can say? Who can say yes? What did Birbal say to the 8 servants? You can say very good answer. Birbal asked all the 8 servants to stand in a line. Okay, my last question. What did Birbal do when the servants stood in a lines? You can say very good. When the servants stood in a line, Birbal looked at their sticks carefully. Thank you. Class is over. Thank you. Thank you.